IntractERP has a feature named Academics. It helps staff members to plan, schedule chapters, create classroom timetables, and also create staff timetables. First, Syllabus Planner. Here, a faculty or a staff can put up their plan regarding how to complete the syllabus in the given time. Select the classroom and the subject. Click on Add New Lesson and then fill in the details. You can also set a due date, but it is optional. Classroom timetable gives you an overview of the timetable for the week of a particular classroom. From here, you can also view the staff timetable. If you click on staff timetable and select a particular staff, it will show you the lecture timings of that particular staff throughout the week. If you come back to classroom timetable, you can see time slots. It will show you the different time slots and you can edit, delete, manage these time slots based on different timings of the classes. Thank you.